In this video, I'm going to be doing a sublimation ready slate. We're going to be putting a sublimation design on this slate. They're almost 8 by 8 inches square. They're a little less than that. And I have done slates before, but this time for this video, I'm going to do the slate face down on the image. I've done my slates in the past face up and they've turned out well, but I find that when you do them face down, they actually turn out better. So I created my design in Canva and then I went to print it, and I'm using an Epson EcoTank 2760 that I've converted over to a sublimation printer by adding sublimation ink, and I used HTV Ront 125 sublimation paper for this project. The heat source that I'm going to be using today is my HTV Ront Auto Press, and it is a 15 by 15 size, 15 inches by 15 inches. And what I found with my HTV Ront Auto Press is that I just didn't quite have the pressure that I wanted, so I bought a silicone mat, a 15 by 15 inch silicone mat that I put on top of the HTV Ront pressing mat. I'll have the link below for this, but this is the red pad here that you can see is that silicone 15 by 15 inch mat. And again, here in this image on the right, you can see the silicone mat that I have added on top of my HTV Ront pressing mat. And you're going to want to use heat-resistant gloves and a mat to cool, a cooling mat for these, because when these slates come out, they are extremely hot, very hot, and they hold the heat for quite a long time. So if you're familiar with the HTV Ront Auto Heat Press, you know that the model that I have only goes to 99 seconds in length. So what I am going to do is I'm setting my press up for 385 degrees Fahrenheit, and I am putting the 99 seconds on there. And I'm going to run this through 6 cycles at 385 degrees. So when it opens, I'm going to reset it to go back down right away, and I'm going to press that 6 times. So it comes out to about 9.9 minutes, basically 10 minutes. So if you're using another press, you're going to do 385 degrees for 10 minutes. So now I am going to put my image face up on that silicone mat that I told you about, and then I'm going to set the sublimation side down on my image. Now you can cover this with a piece of protective paper. I did not. I just did it just like this. I did not use any heat-resistant tape. The weight from the slate kept it in place. That is up to you if you want to use heat-resistant tape on this. I do find that if you tape the back, it will leave a mark on the back. The tape does leave a mark on these slates. And so that's why I decided to do these face down on the silicone mat, because you just press it a little bit longer to get that 385 degrees to go completely through. So again, we're going to be pressing this face down on the image for about 10 minutes at 385 degrees. Like I said earlier, be extremely careful. These are very hot and they take a very long time to cool down. Well, here it is, fresh off of the press, and the color came out great. I cooled these on a mat, and I did 2 of them, and they both turned out great. The color came out very great. The pictures of these don't do them justice. They are very bright and very vivid. So these slates that I buy come with the little stand, and so here it is set up, and I am very happy. I think this is a win. Thanks for taking the time and watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel, and like I said earlier, you can find links below for items that I've used. Have a great day.